Good morning guys, welcome to this Photoshop tutorial how to create a realistic grass step by step. There are many things that we can do just by using one of the most popular graphic software, which is the Photoshop. Due to its very complete and interesting features, it became globally accepted and in the graphic industry and becoming more and more powerful as it goes along with time. Today, in this really cool Photoshop tutorial, you will definitely see the beauty of using this stuff. All you have to do is to follow along with the steps presented, and I assure you that after this, you will learn its main purpose. Just like all other tutorials I have made, I make sure that it will be in its simplest way that even a kid can follow along with. I have added a download link for the PDF file of this tutorial, and you can see this in the description below. Just go and check it out. So let's get started. Step 1. We start the project by opening a new document. We go to File, then New, or just by simply pressing Ctrl N on your respective keyboard. Name your document. I name mine Grass. I set the width 720 pixels, height 1280 pixels, and resolution 72 pixels. Then click OK. Step 2. The colors we will be using will give a big impact on the result we desire. And because of this, it is really required to choose a color that will provide us the best image as accepted by our own imagination. So I set the foreground color to HTML color 095F03 and the background color to white. Step 3. The next thing to do is to add a fiber effect on our project. We do this by going to Filter, Render, Fibers. Set the variance to 23 and the strength to 16. Then click OK. Step 4. In this step, we will be creating the main effect for this tutorial. We will be adding a wind filter to make it more realistic in the end. This will show us a height of the grass we are creating. Go to Filter, Stylize, and Wind. Check Stagger and direction from the left. Then click OK. Repeat this step 4 times and you will have a result like the image below. You can repeat the filter by doing the last step repeatedly for 4 repeated times or by just pressing Ctrl plus F 4 times on your respective keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 5. After the previous step, we will now do the opposite of the last step. We go again to Filter, Stylize, then Wind. But this time, instead of setting the direction from the left, now we use from the right. Then click OK. Again, repeat it 4 times. The result will look like this. Step 6. Repeat step 4, but this time we will only do this once. We go to Filter, Stylize, then Wind. Again, we use the direction from the left. Step 7. Now we are almost done. The next to do is to change the direction or the orientation of the image. We have to rotate it by going to Image Rotation 90 degrees counterclockwise. Adjust the size to make it bigger. We do this by pressing Ctrl plus 0. result will be like this. Step 8. You will notice that the upper and the lower part are covered by too much green color. We do not want that part, so we will adjust its size to hide that. Unlock the background layer panel by double-clicking on the padlock icon located on the right side of the layer panel. After that, press Ctrl plus T to open the free transform tool. Adjust its size to make it okay and press enter. Step 9. The next thing to do is to create a new layer. We name it green. Grab your paint bucket tool and fill the layer with HTML color 095F03, the same color as that we used earlier. Change the blend mode to overlay and press enter. Step 10. Make the original layer active. Adjust the level of the grass layer we have made. Press Ctrl plus L and change the setting to 63, 1.71, 255. Then click OK. Now we already have our final image. I hope this simple tutorial have helped you and give you a great idea on how to create a realistic grass in Photoshop. If you think this tutorial is cool, please like, share and comment on it. Watch more videos in my YouTube channel. Subscribe for more future YouTube videos. Thank you for watching.